Let's connect with Sanjiv Bhasin, who's joining in on the show. Sanjiv, hi there. Let's talk about the overall trade setup then, given that we are looking at mixed cues from the Fed, the fact that FII participation isn't too strong, and there's the pre-election sentiment that's very evident. Yesterday, you were alluding to the fact that there will be a correction. Give us a sense in terms of the timeline that you're looking at. Could that play out after the next couple of weeks? Is it going to be very deep or sporadic in nature?
Yeah, good morning, Avan. I wish I knew the exact timing. I would also be laughing my way. But I think all good news. You read the papers, you see the circumstances, you see globally. I mean, whatever the Fed had done, the market rebounded so sharply. And now you have a more positive thing with crude falling and commodities doing well, China well on its way back. I think IT numbers have been very well. Most positive negatives are priced in, so select stocks will do well. But I still think this consensus bullishness, particularly in the mid cap and select pockets, is seeing a lot of froth because any and every fund manager is now bullish. So I think the end result will be that you are so overbought. Any sharp correction for any reason will see more of weakness. I expect second half, maybe the second week of May to be where 8th, 9th, around that period, where some of the other earnings will come in. Until then, you have to be more stock specific by hedging yourself. We still think there is 100, 200 points upside, but you don't want to time it to the last extent of reaching 23,000 and then seeing maybe sub 22,000 coming very fast. So be cautious, take some money off the chips, wait for big events to play out. Large part of the good news is already in the price. However, like we said, we always have stocks which will make money. So here are some portfolio re-churning ideas which we can give you.
Okay, we'll be getting to that, but I wanted to get in your take then on Bajaj Finance with respect to the RBI lifting curbs. This is a positive catalyst for Bajaj Finance, right?
Yes, Avan, rightly so. I think it happened in November, middle of November. And RBI has given them enough time. Now they are satisfied. And that's happening against a whole host of companies. Everywhere you see, the RBI is pointing out the flaws in the system for whatever reason. Like I told you, KYC norms have to be adhered to with IT back office, being more able enough to handle. And the sheer volumes are going to be there. So Bajaj Finance is the numero uno as far as NBFCs go, and if you saw what the numbers from Chola is, I think Bajaj will be up and running. So definitely Bajaj Finance should be bought now. And if you have been accumulating in this correction, then I think Bajaj Finance will be one of the outperformers in the near term. The near term catalyst obviously will be this news flow, but I think we will wait for more quarterly updates and what the impact will be. Overall, it's a big positive for Bajaj.